What it do, baby boos? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie. So I'm gonna hop right into it. This is some fabric that I had left over from some pants I made. If you stay all the way to the end of the video, you'll be able to see the pants. Y'all, they are so stinking cute. But this is my first time using this little tool right here, and I actually like it, but I stopped using it because I didn't want to cut through the box. So basically, these are the two little squares that we have. I didn't really care if it was literally like the same as my pants, which it wasn't, but I wanted the little furry things literally all around the bag, so that's what I did. So now we're gonna go ahead and pin it into place, and we're gonna go ahead and sew it. Just that simple. So while we do that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, join the family. We got enough room over here for everybody. So now we're gonna go ahead and sew around 3 corners, but at the top you want to leave that open for the bag. So y'all, this is going to be considered a top stitch. I am using zigzag, and y'all, the thread came out. I hate when it does that. But I'm gonna go ahead and thread it, and we're gonna do our shit. And y'all, I got like so many ideas, so many things that I bought already that I'm gonna be doing, custom looks. But I do want to know like what y'all want to see me make, so make sure y'all comment down below and give me some ideas. Okay y'all, so this is the last side, and for the top part of the bag I did do like a stitch across so I can make sure that it's not coming apart. So y'all, I did go ahead and cut 2 pieces for the straps on the purse, and right now what I'm doing is just doing a top stitch over, because y'all, this fabric is like layers of 3 and it will come apart, so I want to make sure it's secure, and I literally just sew right across the top. So now we're going to go ahead and add it to the bag. And with this, y'all, this was, like I said, it was super easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and line it up on here, and I'm gonna sew like a square basically around this so it can be secure like so. Once we finish that, we're gonna do all 4 of them, and that's literally it. So y'all, this is the final and finished look. Let me know what y'all think. I absolutely love it. I feel like it's so stinking cute. And I definitely can swag it out with the pants or without the pants. But like I said, if y'all stay all the way to the end, which is less than a minute, y'all will see the pants that goes with it as well. If anyone is interested on how I came up with the pants, how I made the pants, then the video is listed down below in the description box, or you can click up top. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. And I love you guys oh so much, and I'm out. Peace.